Good morning, community. It's a nice 66 degrees here in North Texas. Woo, so nice, guys. Here comes that sun. So we're scheduled, guys, to get up to around 95, which is gonna be hot, but right now it is so nice, and we gotta get out here and pick our cantaloupes. So these are the French petites. You cannot hardly find seeds for these anymore, and I've had these seeds for about 10 years. So I'm very excited to get these melons and get some of these seeds, and I'll be putting them up on the market here real soon. But these are a beautiful, kind of a personal size cantaloupe. And then these are the hearts of gold. We have those seeds as well. But yeah, things are starting to come in back here, but not very many, guys. We have more on the vines, but they're looking a little peaked. Boy, we struggle on this back acre, but we're working it, trying to get it going to where it's going to become some fertile fields, hopefully someday. Whew. I have my basket loaded up, guys. Hopefully we'll get a little bit more, but I'll show you what we're going to do with some of the excess of this. So when you have a large harvest of cantaloupes, you don't want to waste them. So what I do is I freeze them. You can see how beautiful these are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an ice cream scoop, and I did go ahead and get all the seeds out. And I'm going to scoop this out into my bag, and then I'm going to vacuum seal them. And these will be great, guys, for smoothies. Now you can see this ice cream scoop works wonderful for bite-sized pieces, and you'll be able to enjoy your cantaloupe all year long if you do this method for your smoothies and get that refreshing cold taste of cantaloupe. And there you have it. And if you don't have a vacuum sealer, guys, go ahead and pop them in a freezer bag and just make sure you get all the air out and pop it in your freezer. Next, I'm taking my seeds and I'm using a large strainer. You want to go ahead and get all the meat parts out. You want to rinse them really good, and then I'm going to put these on a paper towel in a bowl and let them dry. Be sure and pack it into the serving sizes that you're going to need. I've got a smaller bag for one smoothie, a larger bag for 2 smoothies. Guys, you can't beat saving your food like this, not letting it go to waste, saving your seeds, making sure you have some of your harvest fresh taste to use all season long and all winter long for your smoothies or anything else you might want to use it for. Another way to use this frozen cantaloupe is put it in your infusion bottle, one of those bottles that you put fruit in, and get you some fresh cantaloupe water in the wintertime that will be refreshing and vitamin rich and so fresh from your garden. Or you could just use it to add it to water, but we're going to use it for our smoothies to give it a big pop of flavor of summertime, maybe in the middle of winter. To see the difference between the hearts of gold and the French petite, you can see the French petite's a little bit smoother and doesn't have as much webbing. Oh, these are going to be absolutely delicious. Some of our watermelons started to split, guys. This is from too much water, and so we're not really going to be able to eat these, but what we will be able to do is get the seeds from them. I hope that was helpful to you guys, because let me tell you something, there's all kinds of ways to preserve your melons. You might even try to freeze dry some of them if you have quite a few of them. For me, that's kind of a lengthy process, and I would rather just go ahead and pop them in the freezer and I just have them for our smoothies or some punch, or just to infiltrate my water with some great flavor during the winter time. But anyway, we love you guys. We will see you soon and give you some more updates. Take care.